Napansin ni Alex ang ginagawang pag-iwas sa kanya ng kaibigang si Beauty.
No, I'm not feeling well.
Good excuse. You have changed.
No, I just felt bad.
Diba, she's changed. She's not like before. Only for one thing like this, she's get mad. Yeah, that's true.
No, I'm not
Before we were
I
always
just
laughing.
had so many problems.
Like what?
Sila Beauty, Kevin at Alex ang madalas magbiruan. Pero dahil sa naging away ng mga guardians nina Beauty at Kevin, damay pati si Alex.
Let's talk. I'll tell you why. I'm just not feeling well for the past few weeks.
I don't believe you.
My mom was supposed to go out. And it's because of her health, and it's quite hard for me because I don't want to go out, but she want to go out. That's the reason I was there.
I believe you, but you're not right.
You're not right.
I saw you every time with Cholos, Nan, laugh, always, Robbie. Smile, smile, like this. And now with me, one thing, with Kevin. I'm not jealous. You're not right.
Just
Don't say I don't feel well if you start to joke with the other or start to laugh.
I don't want. Okay, with Kevin, I step back because I don't want to be hit. That's the reason. I don't want someone will punch me.
Never eat you.
Huh?
Never eat you.
Yeah, you never hit me. That's the reason why I lay back with Kevin.
Yun naman pala eh. Nadamay lang si Alex. Mag-sorry ka na, Beauty.
Sorry.
If it changes, not my problem.
Don't say that. I just lay back and maybe you were nadamay ka. You were like, I didn't notice that I laid back with you too. I didn't mean it. I just... Sorry. You're making me cry. I know.
Huh?
Sorry, no. Sorry, I'm just so emotional. Don't hurt me.
It's okay.
Promise. Please.
Peace. P-E-A-S. Vegetables! Vegetables!
It's our favorite time of the day. Uber sa excitement, uber sa saya. Dapat lang. I feel so bad naman na talagang parang may something yung friendship nila Beauty, Kevin at Alex. Kasi diba, super close sila. Pero dahil nga medyo may something rin yung parents ni Beauty at saka ni Kevin, sila rin medyo hindi nag-uusap yung dalawa. How sad. Pero sana maging masaya sila dahil masaya ang gagawin natin. Kung mapapansin ninyo, anime ako ngayon dahil anime rin ang ating mga housemates. Pero bukod dito sila ay magiging human slot machine. Okay, nag-wonder kayo, paano? Diba ang normal slot machine? Kunwari, kumanan ka, kailangan magkaroon ng 3 cherry. Cherry, cherry, cherry. Pag nangyari yun, woohoo! Jackpot. Kung hindi, oklat. Okay? So, ang mangyayari, ganito. Kanina, si Big Brother, pinamemorize yung mga teens ng 3 poses. Kunwari, ito yung first pose. Kunwari, ito yung second pose. Tapos, kunwari, ito yung third pose. Diba? So, ang mangyayari dito, may 3 housemates. 1, 2, and 3. Tapos, may guardian. So, yung guardian, sasabihin niya, play! So, yung mga housemates, mga housemates, play, 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 woo, play silang lahat. Pag sinabi ng guardian na pose, ay kailangan na sila mag-pose. So, kung kunwari itong nasa gina nakaganito, tapos yung nasa pig, nakaganito rin, tapos, kung yung nandito, nakaganito, talo sila. Pero, kung silang lahat nakaganito, at nakaganito, woohoo! Dahil meron silang reward. Ito natin sa Zip. I think ito na talaga ang Yamashita's Treasure. Yay! Look at it, may mga gold bars na merong mga rewards. Look at that. Kunwari ito, red wine and cheese plus favorite dessert. Yum! Alam mo, sa loob ng bahay, major na to. At yan, at marami pang iba ang mga rewards na pwede nilang makuha. Kaya sana, maging maganda ang kanilang human slot machine game. Ready na ba kayo? Wait lang, bago yan, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo dahil itong mga housemates natin, napakahirap bago gumising, parang mga mantika sila. Kaya naman may consequence na ibinigay sa kanila si Kuya. Ano kaya ang consequence at sino kaya ang mga housemates na hindi magising? Watch this. Isang oras matapos ang wake-up call, tulog mantika pa rin ang ibang mga housemates. Dahil tutulog-tulog, lagot kayo kay Kuya.
Itong mga nakaraang araw, napupan ako na hindi nyo pinapansin ang wake-up call. Kailangan maramdaman nyo kung gaano kayo kahirap gisingin. Ang inyong makakatapat ay naroon na sa storage room.
Ito ang katapat ng mga housemates, si Baby Ika, ang tulog na mantika. Paano kaya nila gigisingin si Ika?
Housemates, si Ika ay 5 galon na antuking mantika. Bilang parusa sa paulit-ulit ninyong pagsuway sa wake-up call, kailangan ninyong gisingin si Ika.
Agad na dinala ng mga housemates si Ika para umpisahan na ang gisingan. Strategy number 1. Lagyan ng mainit na tubig. Strategy number 2. Gisingin sa pamamagitan ng pag-iingay. Strategy number 3. Sigawan si Ika! Strategy number 4, pakiusapan si Ika.
Please, tumising ka na.
Kaya kung matindi, i-kiss si Ika. Matapos ang mahigit 6 na oras, muling tinawag ni Big Brother ang mga antuking housemates.
Kamusta naman si Ika?
Gising na po.
Pero sa tingin ko ay hindi pa siya talagang todong gising, housemates. Para magising siya talaga, gusto ko ay sayawan niyo siya.
Shake, shake, shake! I-shake niyo si Ika! Ika!
Go, Ika!